In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add terms and conditions on Wix. Whether you're setting up an online store, a blog, or any other kind of website, including a clear terms and conditions page is an essential step for protecting your business and maintaining transparency with your visitors. This page outlines the rules users need to follow when navigating your site, as well as your policies regarding privacy, liability, and other key information. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a dedicated terms and conditions page that looks professional and is fully integrated into your website. Let's get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open the Wix website editor. Once you're in the editor, you'll be looking at your site's homepage. From here, locate the page icon on the left-hand side of the screen. This icon is your gateway to managing all the pages on your site. Go ahead and click on that page icon to enter the page management section. Now that you're in the page management area, look for the option that says Add Page. It's typically listed in a drop-down menu. Click on Add Page to bring up the options for creating a new page. You're going to want to select Blank Page from the list. This gives you a completely neutral workspace to design and structure your terms and conditions. Page exactly the way you want it. Once the blank page has been added to your site, the first thing to do is give it a name. Click on the page name to edit it and type in terms and conditions or a similar title that fits the purpose of the page. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures your visitors can easily identify the page when navigating your site. Next, it's time to add a heading to your new page. Look at the upper section of the editor menu and click on the plus icon. This is where you can add different elements to your page. From the menu that appears, select Titles. You'll see a variety of title themes here, so choose one that matches the overall style and design of your website. For example, if your site has a modern minimalist look, go with a clean and simple title design. After you've chosen the title style, click on the heading text and type in Terms and Conditions. This will serve as the main title for your page and let visitors know exactly what to expect. With your title in place, it's time to add the body content. Click the plus icon again to open the element menu, and this time select text and then paragraphs. Here you'll find options for different paragraph styles. Pick one that's easy to read and fits well with the aesthetic of your site. You want the content to look professional and be accessible for all your visitors. Once you've selected your paragraph style, click on the text box to edit it. This will open the text editor where you can start entering your terms and conditions content. This is the most important part of the page, so be sure to include all the necessary details for your website. Common elements to include are your privacy policy, rules for users, limitations of liability, and any other legal disclaimers. If you already have this content prepared, simply copy and paste it into the text editor. If not, take your time to write out the policies that best suit your website and business. When you're finished entering the content, double-check everything to make sure it's accurate, clear, and free of errors. Once you're satisfied, it's time to save your changes. Click the Save button, and just like that, you've created a fully functional terms and conditions page for your Wix website. And that's it. You now have a dedicated page that communicates your policies clearly to your visitors. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.